Hey everyone, today we are going to be playing a game called Dragon Ball Forces. A friend of mine, his friend showed me this game, and he said it will make me happy, I guess, and it actually did. I started liking it. So you got a guy here. I just made him today. I don't know why. And we can't do those ones, so it won't work. Mail. What do you mean eyes? Oh, that's what they mean by eyes. That's weird. Creepy. Guys, we gotta find some eyes here. I just saw some. Didn't know. I think we're gonna be using that one. Yeah, we're gonna be using this one. Suppression. I'm gonna keep it the same. So it's disabled. Okay. Let's play with our guy. And I started yesterday, so I might not be that good. And my mouse is upstairs. My mom's using it right now. I have a wireless mouse. She's using it right now, so yeah. So we're gonna go. Alright. Oh, there's some people here. I did not know how long his hair was. I didn't even know it was in a bun. Yeah. I ain't gonna go Super Saiyan yet. Just E. Not gonna hit. Let's in comments below when I'm playing this. When I'm done playing it, if you liked it or not. Sorry. Why is he saying sorry? Like he hit me or something. You didn't hit me. Let's say. You did not hit me. I just hit you for kills. Command? That's not a command. Oh. Command? What do they mean commands? I'm doing the chat thing. Why is it saying commands? Guys. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, he's mad. He's Super Saiyan. I could be Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan! No, that's not how I be. Oh, he's not Super Saiyan yet, even. Oh, they want to be Super Saiyan. I'll be Super Saiyan. I want to see how he'll look with Super Saiyan. If I could have said, just made this guy, guys. Oh, his hair goes up. Like, that's cool. Why didn't it didn't work? Oh. Okay, buddy. No. Fly away. Fly, no. Oof. I gotta fly away. Go. Dang these people, look at my health. Look at my head. Oh my god. I can't get off the shift lock. Well, I learned. They don't play. Alright, let's go. So these people don't play. Come here, boy. Jesus, you. Hey, we got a kill. Let's do this. Swooping in. Oh, he's blocking. He's scared. Yeah. You know, I'm scared. It's a fighting game. I'm supposed to fight you. Oh, you want to hit me back? Okay, buddy boy. I have the lowest health ever. This game is so confusing. It's the way your camera goes. Whoa! Wow. Wow. He had to save his friend. I think that guy even said, who called who an idiot? Oh, that's before I joined. Wait, you can run in this? I didn't know. I'm gonna say team. I'm gonna say team. Bro, we might have us a teammate here. Okay. Say, bro, why is it doing that? Stop doing it, doo-doo! But how do they do that? Like, how do they do all that electric and stuff? Okay. Whoa! So you just have to hold and hold? Or is that Super Saiyan for him? You can change your Super Saiyan? Oh, I'm just holding hold. Oh no, because it went like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a Super Saiyan. That's your SSJ. Yeah, okay, that's your SSJ. I don't know what he said. Anyway. Alright guys, we'll go fight. I want him to follow, so I know he's following. Dang it, that blue guy I just lost him. That's why I say blue target. No! Don't you try it. Don't you try it. Better one. Whoa, what the? Oh, with my phone. I can't leave my phone. What this way? Combat the oh snap, brother! I can't lock on. Why won't let me lock on? Lock on. Lock on. Yeah. This is what. No, get him. I want to E-lock on the other guy. Don't you hit my buddy. Come here, woo. Come here, woo. Let go. Yeah. Yeah. He's barking like a little baby. Okay, my buddy, okay? You okay? Oh, it's just a little. Hey. Just a little boy trying to hit us. Whoa, I'm okay. He wants revenge, I see. Yeah, he wants revenge. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. You gonna hit me then run away? It don't work like that. I wanna fight him. Here, boy. Come here, boy. Come on, do some damage. He was blocking. Weak. Stop running! Oh my god. I don't think people like know that this is my second day actually playing this, and I'm not actually on this. It's my second day. Five. Come here. background now, boy. Oh no, he blocked it. Shoot. I'm trying to do this thing. Yes! He ran away. He is so lucky. Yeah. We're so lucky he ran away. Yeah. You did it. Gun in blue. No. Wait, where's my friend? Oh my god. They just want us to fight. Oh, whoa. Who are you? Black and yellow? I should might do that outfit. Let me see that. Oh, that's nice. Say that you ain't my friend. Well, it is a nice outfit, but I don't fight you. Come here, boy. Wow, that's beastie. Whoa! Whoa, no, get out of it! No! That was a good job, though. He did a good job. He got me. Somebody finally. Richard's gonna try to kill me. One of them are gonna try to kill me. I don't really care. Supernova 5 or 6. Make that 5. You see the super black one? It's right there. I'm gonna use this. What's this? Let me just use it. Oh my god, that's beastie, but I don't want it. I want the... Oh, I'm going to the shop. I mean, skills. Yeah, guys. I don't really want that Super Sam. Whoa! Ratty. Sheesh. Okay, you guys are crazy. I don't know what you're doing. I'm just trying to be... Whoa! What did I do? My hair's all purple and stuff. I like this one. I'm wasting my power though. Who wants to fight? I want to fight somebody. He ran away. Oh no, he did. He's right there on mine. Yes. I'm not even playing with a mouse right now. I don't know how I'm doing so good. If I was playing with a mouse, I would have been doing better. Boy. I just got that kill. Goku, I'm here. I'm Goku. What do you mean, brother? We're gonna quit Mystic. We're gonna keep trying these ones. I think Mystic sounds kind of cool. Mystic sounds like it might be a good one, so we're gonna use it. There we go. Now to find some people. Right here. Like, these ones, like, Kaham. Okay, that's our normal one. Number 2? I don't know what number 2 is. So, I'm gonna make that number 2. Number 3. I don't know what number 3 is, so. Hold on, I'm sorry. Move, sir. We're gonna use this one. I have a good feeling with this. What are you doing? Are you trying to hit me? What are you doing? What are you doing, brother? Yeah, boy. I got 15 minutes on this video. It's about like 14:48 right now, so. See, it's about to be over, guys. I'm gonna say here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. And see you guys next time.